You guys, I know it's rough, but if you did what I did and you take a 3-month coffee break, do it today. You fucking deserve it. My friends aren't even here yet. I'm starting without them. Then we're gonna have the boardroom meeting. Anyways, I have all my products out. I don't know if you can see them. Anyways, we did have another little supplement. We'll talk more later in person. I'm not telling you that. Alright, let's moisturize. Because guess what? We're gonna do? We're going outside. We gotta get some vitamin D, you guys. We're not getting any on Bumble. There's no vitamin D there. Just little dick energy. That's what I'm feeling. Cheers, buddy. This is our first cup. God bless motherfucking America. I'm gonna show you guys my flag. Alright, sip one. Do you think I'll be like normal ever again? Oh, I want to show you what I listen to. Mr. C, don't copyright me. But yeah, that's his name. That's how I found him. Me and Gigi were doing something one night, and we just came across them. But yeah, America. Oh, goddamn. Other people in other countries, man. Just saying. That's why I always turn my red light on. Alright, comment below. You guys know what to do. When you want to make art, you come to me. Only me. Because I'm the best. Thank you for being my diary of a CEO. I love you guys. Start your channel. I want to see you get old too.